bigat ng mundo. Minsan, we question ourselves, we question our worth. But you know what pulled us out? Our faith. And kayo ang groups yung support na yung pagmamahal niyo sa amin. Hindi kami basta bumalik. We came back stronger. Because we remember who we are and why we started. Maraming salamat sa mga!
Wala! Sino yun?
Sige naman. You stretch your legs, okay? While we perform, okay?
Hey guys!
Go, Ate Ryan.
Storytelling.
Okay. Anong storya ng buhay mo?
Oh my gosh, pressure naman to.
Dear Aya.
Kasi bigla ako nag-cram sa leg, but tuloy yung laban, everybody. So I'm here, I'm smiling. Siyempre!
Do it all. Iiyak ba na yan?
Kaya. Oh yeah, basta makakanta, basta kahit nakaupo ako, grabe yung energy ko, guys. Or dito lang.
Ayun na!
Mag-jogging pa yan bukas, 10 km. Mag-jogging ka pa.
May jogging ka pa.
So now, Blues, don't blink twice dahil kayo ang aming cherry on top!